Yo, Cry Kid's backpack loaded up with glocks. Backpack, it's loaded up with funds. It's loaded up with funds. Too many glocks in his backpack. He's gonna shoot them up, black, bow, bow, bow. You better hurry up and leave before the Cry Kid gets his Glock 19 and shoot you. Glock 19. Glock 19s. He got everything that you can think of. Glock 19s, AKs, Mac 11s. You need to think of the more stuff. Backpack. He got everything in his backpack. Glock 19, AKs everywhere. You need to look. If you school. You know what's gonna happen. Backpack. Do stuff everywhere in his backpack. Everywhere there's a Glock 19, AKs in his backpack. Look through his backpack. Look through his backpack. Look through his backpack. Look through his backpack. You can see AKs, Glock 19s. You can see everything in his backpack. Look through his backpack. You can see glocks. You can see glocks in his backpack. You can see everything like mugshots of himself in his backpack. You can see everything in his backpack like Glock 19s.